Civic Trade started in the 70s with a group of 8 friends, I believe, and then they started trading rattan poles. And over time, each partner decided to sell out, and we went into furniture manufacturing, and we started doing business with the Europeans, Rolf Benz, B&B Italia, some very good names. We basically grew with our customers. We were doing wrought iron, outdoor furniture, and accessories. My father, assisted by my mother, were very instrumental in establishing the culture of the company, which is the passion for excellence, the sense of urgency, do what you promise, do what you can. It's our staff and our team what makes us different from everybody else.
Every morning when I wake up, I'm a person that gets inspired for anything. So it's just when you have my early cup of coffee in the morning, I look forward to what the day brings in the factory. When I came on board working for Pacific Traders, my father has always told us that you have to create classic shapes and reinvent whatever material you want to put, because that creates a timeless piece. No matter what materials you have, just make sure it's the classic shape, and most especially it's comfortable. The amount of work for each design is a lot, because just doing the concept, putting the materials together, what you want to achieve, the finishes, and having it realized to an actual product takes at least 4 months. And keeping up with the modern trends is difficult because each customer is different. It's not only keeping up with modern trends, it's also understanding different materials available today. And aside from that, I feel also traveling and understanding various cultures all over the world is important, because with these cultures you create something different.
If you recall, in the past 10-15 years, and it's very relevant, somebody made a comment, the Philippine furniture industry, everybody was in the right place at the right time. Since 2008, with other countries doing just as good a job as the Philippines, now the Philippines is not the only go-to country. So we've known that for the past 10 years, so we continue to improve on our offerings.
Pacific Traders is a true believer in having constant research and constant design innovation. I also find inspiration in looking at the past and putting them together with what is present today. So this combination of ideas, it makes it very interesting for our customers because we seem to marry both together wonderfully.
We have to continue to be relevant to our customers. The day you stop being relevant, the day they stop coming. When you say relevant, relevance can mean many things. Cost. Our customers are under pressure because of the way the global economy is growing. The ability to continue to come up with new product, new material, new things, and just to be on time.
So today our furnitures have been in homes for 40 years all around the world, and I only hear praises that their furniture are Pacific Traders furniture. And we also want to make it timeless. We want it that they can also feel the interpretation of excellence that we try to put in each piece of furniture.
Whether we make product that we design or it's their designs, we try to be in their shoes and try to understand what their company is about, so the product we make will reflect their point of view. With our new factory that we're opening up in Indonesia, some of the offices we have in Dubai and the States, and then the alliances we have with some of our customers, we continue to explore other ways to make ourselves better. So basically what we have is we have a company that can offer you good, better, best product in different price points. And at the same time, it gives us the ability to service most of what our customer requires.